What's up guys, welcome to another video. In this time we have the Yeti streamer microphone, PC microphone, gaming microphone. It's clear say you can stream in a split or stream. Okay, let's see what I have before opening the box. Professional USB microphone, have the mute buttons, master volume, headphone output. I need buy headphones. Triple capsule, gain control, polar panel, come with this stand mount, fixation, micro standard, customized cable, blah blah. Symbols, stereo, cardio, directional. That's the symbols. Also offered 6 months in premium, split, and or string. Yeti midnight blue USB microphone, gain control mute button, headphones, 3 capsule array, 3 condenser, capsule inside can record, blue play, and Mac compatibility. Now we're gonna do the unboxing. I need to get something. Let me see if I find my keys. Something to open the box. You know what? Let me try to just open with the hands so I don't make damage too. In case I had to return the product because the box coming with damage. It's gonna be harder. Really hard. I really tried, but it's no way. So let's use this. See, I don't wanna break the box. Oh my god, I don't wanna break the box. Really. Let's see, I can just put inside here. Where did I put this bag? The box is broken. Give me 1 second. Okay, finally I can do it. So let's see what come in the box. Remove. So, remove the knife. So yes, another tape. I think the whole video is gonna be just trying to remove the whole tape. Jesus, let me just broke it. Okay. Bam 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 bam. The first we see in the box is the cable, USB. Here the instructions. Okay, this is just protection. And here we go. It's hard to take it out. Okay, fine. Finally, there's something else in the box. No. Box perfect, just there. What's that? This gel, maybe. Yes, serve it back. So finally, here is the microphone. Here's the microphone. This look really nice. Here we go. Sorry, I have to smell new. Yeah, perfect. I use. When I buy a product, I like to use new. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like the unboxing. Please subscribe. I'm gonna make later a video. See how it works. Is work clear or no? Thanks for watching and see you next video. Alright guys, now we have the microphone next to the computer. Sorry, disaster. Remember I make the unboxing of the gaming mouse. It worked perfect. Some things like when you play this, the zoom go back. I don't like that, but it's work fine. And also we still have the Logitech camera, and of course the Alienware computer. So let's connect the camera. Let's proceed to connect the cable. So I'm gonna put this just right here. So let's go test this. Let's see how it works. So let me move this, I guess. Connect. What happened here? This not supposed to come here, you see? I just open and come with the plastic. That's terrible. How do people sell stuff like that? So let's try proceed. It's hard to put her. Okay, this side. Sorry. Let me pause. Okay, finally I connect in the computer. So I don't want this like moving too much. I guess that's it. Right here, set up your Yeti microphone. Yeti stereo microphone set up, ready to go. You see? Right here, Yeti stereo microphone. So it's ready, good. It's really easy to set up. So you have the mute button. Press. Starts working. That's off. And the volume. I need to load the program to see how it works. I just make a video. Maybe some little weird, but I guess I had to disconnect the microphone so I can listen myself. Okay. Testing the microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing the microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing the microphone. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello, hello. Testing the microphone. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Hello, hello, hello. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Yes, it's perfect. Alright, this is the microphone. I'm testing right now. Sorry for the noise. Alright, this is the microphone. The microphone works fine. I have my phone, so that's why I listen myself. That's why I record the noise, but the microphone works fine. It's not really bad. Price, yes, a little expensive, is $140 plus taxes, almost $10. So Okay, this is fine. I guess I need the headphones so when I use it, but the microphone passes test. It's not bad. So guys, so please subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about the microphone. This is a real test. Oh, these laptops have the only 1-2 USB. So I buy this. It's work very fine. See. So I have an extra USB. So let me know what you think about the video. If you can about the laptop, I make also review. It hits up sometimes, but you just use the Alienware Command Center. Is updated. Also, see versions. Here show you the speed of the computer can go like to 3, almost 4. Temperature right now is 62. It's not bad. And I'm gaming right now. You can change the fans, speed, full speed, quiet, perform, balance. So now it's working. I guess Dell Alienware updated, so now it's working. This is also my Twitch if you wanna follow me. And guys, see you next video. That's the Tobii eye tracking. Just in case, and you say what's that? Just let me know in the comment what you think about it. This is unboxing and review of the Blue Yeti microphone professional streaming. See you next video.